happily ever after. Rosel Nava, nagpakasal na. The Manila Cathedral stood witness sa pag-iisang dibdib kahapon ng singer at former teen star na si Rosel Nava sa kanyang boyfriend of 9 years na si Alan Tan. Bandang 4:30 ng hapon, nagsimulang lumakat sa red carpet ang bridal entourage. Kasama dito ang kanilang primary and secondary sponsors, pati ang kanyang mga bridesmaids at kasamahan noon sa Ang TV na sina Lindsay Custodio, Rica Peralejo at Jolina Magdangal. Wearing a Cecilio Abad creation, Rosel was the picture of a gorgeous, blushing bride. At habang lumalakad siya sa aisle, inaawit ni Between Escalante ang I Knew I Loved You, while her groom na si Alan, excited na naghihintay sa kanya. During their wedding ceremony, isang surprise para sa mag-asawa ang natupad, ang pagkanta ni Piolo Pascual ng The Gift.
Kanina sinurprise kami ni Piolo. Promise niya nakakanta siya pag ako kinasal. Thank you, Piolo.
After the very intimate and romantic ceremony, masayang humarap sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay sina Mr. and Mrs. Alan Tan.
I'm really looking forward to this bagong chapter ng journey namin together. I'm sure that marami pang mga mas magagandang darating sa buhay namin together.
Before the reception, dumaan muna sina Rosel at Alan sa May Rojas Boulevard para sa isang pictorial by the bay. Then dumiretso na sila sa Palacio de Maynila. And the happy couple definitely made a grand entrance sa kanilang reception habang sakay ng isang motorsiklo. And with their closest family and friends, masayang sinelebrate ni Rosel at Alan ang pagsisimula ng kanilang pagsasama.
This is it! Honeymoon time!
It's a beautiful wedding, it's a beautiful ceremony. Rest easy, celebrate. There's so many people here who are so happy for you talaga.
I wish you both a very happy married life. And I pray to God that you will be blessed with lots of beautiful children.
I will really take good care of you. I will love you. I'll be faithful. And I promise to take care of our kids as well. And your family as well.
Thank you. Promise ko, talagang mag-a-adjust ako and compromise para mag-work yung relationship natin ng matagal na matagal.
Congratulations and best wishes kay Rosel. O ito napaaga